What did Monday's pot stock earnings say about the industry? On Monday, March 30th, several large pot stocks released their latest earning reports. Although it is a difficult time to rank any pot stocks, it is worth taking a look at these reports to see where some of the leading pot stocks are at. Both Cronos Group and HEXO released their earnings on Monday, and both were met with some disdain from investors. In Canada, these two companies have suffered from the falling prices of cannabis, which have wreaked havoc on major marijuana producers. But in the present day, we have seen the demand for cannabis rise sharply alongside the coronavirus, which could help to boost sales for the current quarter. Cronos Earnings Report. Cronos Group represents the top tier of the cannabis industry. The company is arguably one of the largest pot stocks in the market and has stayed there for quite some time. In the latest earnings report, Cronos reported around 16 cents in earnings per share. Estimates show a loss of around 4 cents, which puts this at a solid advantage. The company's sales were down from the previous quarter, netting around $7.3 million for the 3-month period. After it reported these numbers, it saw its stock drop by around 1%. A lot of the recent volatility with Cronos Group can be attributed to the coronavirus, as it has wreaked havoc across the markets beyond cannabis. The case for HEXO. HEXO Corp has also seen better days in its earnings report. The company states that it has seen slower than expected retail store rollouts in Canada, and delays in government approval for cannabis derivative products resulted in constrained distribution channels, which have already affected overall market sales and profitability. HEXO's report is arguably worse than Cronos, posting a net loss north of $290 million. Its net sales, however, did rise around $17 million from around $13 million only a year prior. Slow sales growth is another symptom of the Canadian legislation that backs the cannabis market. Despite this disappointing earnings report, on Tuesday, March 31st, HEXO Corp shot up in value by around 6%.